National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Dane County and south central Wisconsin until 5:15 a.m. At 4:37 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Madison-Truax Airport. Additional severe thunderstorms were affecting northern Dane County. These thunderstorms were nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, Airport EAS observation impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Sun Prairie, Marshall, Token Creek, Deansville and East Bristol. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.